Jason's dragged me in today because we've had an overwhelming response to our new organics collection. The feedback has been immense, but a lot of the questions we're getting regard specifically to our mosaics. Actually offer is a customization service. We don't stock mosaics or make specific mosaics. We're trying to offer more for the designer and commercial market, that they can do something custom.
There is a minimum order with the mosaic ranges that we do offer the market, and that's a 15 square meters. It can sound scary on a 15 square meter, but you very quickly utilize that square meterage in a full home project. And as you can see on this one,
two or three bathroom floors,
100, yes.
and you're at 15 square meters.
Yeah.
It's not hard to do.
No, most definitely. More colourful, a bit more bold, and then down to things like the finger mosaics, which are quite lineared. As we know, the industry in the last 12 months, curves are something that we're seeing transition into architects and designs, especially when they're doing facades of buildings and internal components. So we wanted to bring that into this mosaic range, and as you can see, we do have a lot of curves here within our mosaics.
The questions we've had over the years, exactly. A lot of people love our product.
That's right.
But are a little bit scared with the larger formats.
Exactly.
As I said, there's a lot of curved walls at the moment. How do you do that with a larger format?
Yes.
A lot of people want to do bathrooms, and you pick some of our beautiful tiles, and they're like, "What do you use on the floor?" Well, you can now use the same tile or a beautiful matching tile.
Most definitely.
And we can do it in a mosaic to make
Yes.
getting falls easier.
Yes, exactly.
You know?
Yeah,
and you're
definitely.
not limited to what is already on the market. You can create your own designs. Some of these here, you can see we've got some beautiful designs here where it's just the one tile, but you can actually mix and match some of our products. Exactly. So you don't have to have just the one colour product through there. You can see again another one here where we've incorporated a bit of the black and the white from our large format ranges. They're completely custom, so you can pick what colours you want where.
It allows interior designers and architectural firms to add what we call design signature on projects, because we are generally governed to what's available on the market. But here at Kaylin, with this, I guess, project that we created here and the offering that we sort of placed together here is giving you the ability to place some individuality on projects. On the retail perspective, it is something that we do offer. However, we do have a large offering in our standardised range. I think that covers that Australian market in relation to design trends that are happening, for you not to really need it to go down that road. However, it is available to you, but most definitely is accompanied by a design file and a CAD file.
And even if you pick from our existing designs, again, they're full customised. So,
yes.
So you might want this pattern, but you want it with satellite blue or Brèche de Benu, you know, our unique offerings. They're manufactured just for you. It's not something that's going to pop up on every retail shop. Retail clients, again, there's that minimum 15 metre order.
That's right.
But if you don't have the ability to design something or do a CAD file, we've got Jason. Jason's designed all these. Diana in our design team, Afrin. We've got an amazing design team here that can help you put something together if you want something really custom, so we can do that.
The mosaic not only has to look amazing and look right for a project, but it has to perform well. And if we have a look at this mosaic here on the table, this one, then I'll pull it up on camera. We actually originally designed this, and this particular mosaic, when we designed it as a design team, didn't have this split through the middle. When Storm had a look at this and on a design perspective on that technical form, he said, hey guys, look, let's put this split through the middle of this piece here, and that's going to enable you to use it on a curved wall, on a column aspect, and I'll just show you. So now we've gone from a mosaic that can traditionally be laid on a flat surface to something that can have curves. So it's really important to hear, I guess, on our manufacturing level, but technical is a very big component of Kaylin.
If you've already got the CAD file and you pick our tiles, it's only going to add a couple of weeks to design, a couple of weeks to manufacture.
Yes.
If you're working with us to create custom designs, we need to do templates, and it might add a bit more to get it 100% right. But on average, like to get these products pre-made, Jason already had the CAD files, sent them to him. It only added about 2 weeks to our production time. So it can be done very quickly and facilitated.
Mosaics are important. Mosaics add movement, texture, and bring that creativity to a design. But if you have a look at it, and everybody knows Kaylin to be sustainable, Storm, you know, we are one of the largest sustainable factories on the world market.
These are all made from our Global Green Tag Level A certified product.
Yes.
So if you're doing Green Building Council of Australia buildings, you need to achieve a level 5, level 6 star building. These still apply because they still have that level A green tag.
Exactly.
A few of the other things, yes, it's made from sustainable product.
Yes.
Something I'd like to touch on, making mosaics to order is a lot more efficient than making mosaics that you think are going to sell.
Exactly.
You know, so making these for your project overseas, the waste stays in our factory, so it can actually go back into manufacturing.
Exactly.
So all the offcuts go back into our tiles.
Yes.
We're only shipping what you need direct to your project. We're not storing meters and meters of mosaics here that we hope we're going to sell.
Well, that they get damaged.
They get damaged, they get thrown in the bin, or you keep them in your warehouse for 5 years and all of a sudden, you know, arches are out of fashion and you can't sell them.
Exactly.
So you throw them out or you sell them for $1 a sheet and hope they get used. Using them, making them to your specific order and what you need is a lot more efficient, a lot better for the environment, for waste.
Yeah. You know, we can align with the trends, but we can also be creating a trend, and we hope to see you in the showroom being creative and creating your own trends.
Yep. Yeah. So that's it for us today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Like I said, if you've got some design ideas, definitely come and speak to Jason or Diana. Any technical questions, I'm available all the time.
Yes.
I love talking technical.
Yes.
And we look forward to seeing you in the showroom in the future.
See you later.